Okay, substance sesebenzisa la so senzo H2O. So masikhuluma atomic combination lapha ni topic esingena kuyona sesikhuluma ngama forces eswaziyo yabo revision encane. But masikhuluma ma forces akhona between ama atoms nama molecules yakho. Njale imolecule kabani ka H2O. Forces sithola la the inter-atomic force ephinde futhi ibizwe ngani intra-molecular force. Ibizwa in these ways: intermolecular force or the intramolecular force. So lena injani yona lena is strongest force. So that is strongest force. Then versus banana is where the H. Then again in molecule. Atom molecule. Molecule got what? My atoms are two got what? Then left one is tola yola. See this an intermolecular force. Left one then it's weak compared to low interatomic. Lolo ends up between molecules. Lolo ends up between atoms. Then intermolecular forces. Intermolecular forces ends up between molecules of a substance. Then interatomic or intermolecular forces ends up between atoms of a substance. And this is a chemical bond. Chemical bond must be defined as what? Chemical bond in the CBC it's a mutual attraction between two atoms, resulting from the simultaneous attraction between the nuclei and the outer electrons. Then must be nine valence electrons. Valence electrons are the electrons in the highest energy level of an atom in which there are electrons. So valence electrons are found in a periodic number and the element. Now one valence electron yakubani one. Best banana covalent bond. Covalent bonds is the sharing of electrons between two atoms to form a molecule between a metal and a non-metal. Covalent bond. Okay, let's. From a lone pair of electrons, generally uses any hydrogen ion. Okay, the sense of the words H plus. So allow dative covalent bond. Dative covalent bond sitting element or an atom that is an empty valence shell. And now I'm electrons. Sitting the empty atom with no electrons in its orbit. Maybe in the shell empty. Now in the electrons. This is the dative covalent bond. Then so sabani what? H2O. What's near the body? Hydrogen ion. Okay. Then so to H plus K. Unalento kuthiwa i-octet rule. Sibuye lapha kunento kuthiwa i-octet rule. Octet rule is whereby ama-elements or ama-substances they try to complete an 8 rule. Whereby azama fill up ama-orbits awo ngo-8 valence electrons. Afuna ukufana nani nama-noble gases. Ma-noble gases alaphaya ku-prod 18 laphaya. Wona washare ngenxa zokuthini afull agcwele. So wena anyawazi ukushare. But awazi ukushare ilawa from sola ku-1, 2, 3 up to 7. Wona lawa ngawazi ukushare because ofuna ukwenzani ufila upper ini i-orbit shell to 8. But kunama exceptions. Hydrogen is one of the exceptions. Beryllium is one of the exceptions too. Boron is one of the exceptions. 6 low. 1 hydrogen. 2 beryllium. Protein number akhona lawo. 6 boron. Protein number. My exceptions. So all hydrogen. Yeah, now hydrogen dinga. Una 1. But uzodinga bani? Omunye 1. Uzegcwala.